If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time we drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
Hi again. Well, it's another interesting video, and this time we have beautiful Prema with us. Being a darker skinned person, I must say that colors would look great on her, and I think oftentimes we do tend to shy away from colors if you happen to have a deeper skin tone. The look that I'm going to attempt is slightly elaborate. It's probably something that you'll have to give a couple of goes before you get it right. But having said that, I'm going to make it as simple and user-friendly as possible, but just with a different twist. I'm not going to do the base because, as I said in previous videos, when you're using colors, especially deeper colors or pigmented colors, they do tend to fall on the rest of your skin. And if you happen to have done your foundation before, chances are you'll have to clean it up and redo it. To avoid the trouble, maybe you can just start with an eye base, prepare the eye and keep it ready for makeup, and apply the eye makeup first, after which you continue to do your foundation and the rest of your face. And that's what I'm about to do. So I'm going to straight away go over her eyes with a base so I can set it and start with my eye makeup. Make sure you get color into the corner of the eye so the dullness disappears. You may use a concealer or a foundation to do this. All I'm doing is applying the base and setting it immediately with powder. So using a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to dip into some nude eyeshadow and just pat it across the lid. I'm not going to blend it in the beginning. Take it almost to the end of the eye, making sure that it's quite saturated or heavy in the center. Literally pat on the color and don't move it too much because you don't want the skin to show from underneath. So taking a khaki pencil, I'm literally going to draw in the corner. Use a light hand. Give yourself an idea of the direction you want to take the colors in. And quickly blend because it will dry up. Just leave the rough indication like that, and we'll continue with the rest later. So try and achieve balance. I know it's a bit modern in take. Using the same green color, I'm also going to try and sharpen the line down. And remember, this is not anywhere close to done yet. Now I'm going to start with the eyeshadows and work greens into the corners that I've painted on. So I'm starting with the dark green, almost like a teal, a deep teal. Just to be safe, I'm going to apply a little powder because I don't want any stain on her skin. Don't worry too much if you have the color a little all over the place. You will be able to clean it up soon. Now I'm going to take a lighter green and using the same brush, I'm going to blend it into the corners so there's a bit of a gradation and it doesn't stay so dark. Now just for added intensity, I am going to use the same green I've used inside the eye. But if you notice, I'm not going right through. I'm literally connecting the points where this looks like a line. So it's not from the corner of the eye to the other corner of the eye. And likewise, I'm going to do the same thing at the top and smudge it very lightly. Using a creamish white highlighting powder. I'm only focusing on the arch of the brow and not going all over. Now I'm just going to apply the lashes and mascara as well. But first, I'm just going to curl up. And as a surprise, I'm going to use a tiny little bit of glitter as well. So I just wet my brush a little bit before dipping it into the glitter pot. So if you can see this area, I'm literally placing the glitter right there. Make sure that the areas of dullness around the eye when it's so elaborate is very clean and clear. So I'm just using a bronzer actually, not even fussing too much, just a basic bronzer. And it's a deep color. I'm just using a tiny bit on the cheeks, not even to contour actually, just kind of adding a little bit of bronze and color. Now I'm just going to finish off her lips with a very neutral lipstick. So that kind of wraps up our look, and the focus here is really the eyes, and it takes a little more detailing, but I think it's important that if you're planning to use makeup, it's great to leave some old stories behind and make new ones, and this is an effort in that direction. I hope you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to doing more looks like this.